Hi, today I'll take you through this to this for just 3000 rupees in a span of 3 months. But before we proceed, if you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and never miss another update. The pleasure of gardening can't be monetarily valued, but then there are those like me who wanted to skip over the aesthetics and create a natural heaven in their terraces in a limited budget. I have built this garden from scratch without compromising on the quality of the basic components. Let's begin. Let's first discuss soil. For a garden to flourish, the very first thing we need is soil. You live in a big city, and procuring the right soil can be a hassle, especially if you don't know from where you can get it. I approached shops which dealt with building and masonry items like bricks, sand, etc. They deal with soil, and I got mine from a paddy field. The soil that I have here is clayey in nature. This kind of soil is packed with essential plant nutrients and has an abysmally high water retention capacity. As you can see, when I take the soil in my hand and press it, it comes together. It turns into a ball. This soil can hold itself together, and as is evident from my digging, it can retain a lot of moisture. Now, it is not necessary that you have to obtain clay soil. You can get any kind of soil that you have as long as you know how to amend it. In another video series, I'll show you how to amend difficult soil and make it suitable for your garden. This kind of garden soil that I have here is perfect for my terrace garden. I got around 50 bags of this soil for just 1500 rupees. Each bag weighed about 30 kg. If you can get over the aesthetics that grow bags on Amazon provides, then choosing these thermocol boxes are your best bet. Sure, they look industrial, but you'll be surprised by its performance. These thermocol boxes were readily available in my local fish market. They sold me these boxes for just 30 rupees. In your place, it might be cheaper or it might be a bit more. These boxes hold a lot of soil in them, and thus they provide the plants the adequate space that they need to grow. The reason why I chose them is because of their wide mouth and depth. And for the price that they are being sold, I would choose them over any other planter any day. Moreover, if you want to maximize it and plant shallow rooted vegetables, then cut the box in half and use the lid of the thermocol box to tie it with the open end. It is perfect for leafy greens which tends to have shallow root. I also got a bit creative and I upcycled whatever recyclable materials I could use, and I created planters out of them. Here you can see that I've used my old shoe rack and transformed it into a planter. Another option that I explored is using black grow bags. These are the same grow bags that nurseries uses. They are sold in shops that sell ropes, plastic bags, etc. Nurseries often don't sell them, but if you happen to visit one in your area, you can inquire from where they get it. You can also check it online. I brought mine from a shop that sells ropes. They generally sell it in kilos, and I paid some 110 rupees for 1 kilo of their largest bag they had. I got some 16 bags out of it. Additionally, I also used this Amazon packet that was lying in my house and these cement, grain and lentil bags that were lying around in my house. Let us now talk about compost. When I took up this project, I vowed to grow everything organically. Therefore, creating a healthy soil structure by using good compost or manure is very important. I approached my local Gaushala to sell me their dry cow dung. Most Gaushalas in India will sell you dry cow dung at a very reasonable price. I got mine for just 150 per bag, and they weighed about 30 kgs. So here you can see that mushrooms have also grown all over my manure. The mycelium of this mushroom breaks the organic matter, and now my manure is green gold, ready to be used as plant food. Finally, let us talk about seeds. Everything you see growing here is from seeds. I sowed my seeds in February, and by April I was harvesting everything. I bought good quality seeds from the store. We also get seeds in our local farmers market, and they are very cheap. For 10 rupees you would get some 10-20 grams of seeds, and for a garden of this size they are more than enough. Good seeds will ensure a higher germination rate and less diseases and insects. You can buy seeds online also, but I prefer the traditional method. I visit my nearest government registered seed shop and buy from there. I am sure you will also have such shops in your locality. Overall, I spent around 120 rupees in my seeds. Leaving the monetary aspect aside, you also have to give something that very precious to your garden, and that is your love, care, and most importantly, your time, in order to see your garden flourish. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.